Hello friends, welcome back. Leanna here. A couple of weeks ago I ordered a Laura Geller mystery box. It was the larger mystery box. And I did an unboxing. It's here on my channel. And I was so impressed with the Laura Geller products. And then I watched, right after that, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I'll link her channel down below. She did a video on a little mystery bundle that she ordered, and it had a palette in it that I had on my wish list. It is the Eye to Eye Mystery Kit, and I looked on their website and I don't see it on there now. But it's $29.99. I don't know if they'll possibly bring it back. $5.99 for shipping, and I had a $10 coupon off, so I paid $25.98. And the palette that I wanted, that I knew was in this box, was like $34. So I had to go back to the Laura Geller website and order this box, because instead of paying $34.99 for the palette that I wanted, that I knew was in this box, I could just get the box and pay $29. So I saved some money. Thank you, Mary Catherine, for saving me some money. So this box came with 5 products, and this is the palette that I wanted. I am so impressed with Laura Geller products. I have on the Laura Geller bronzer and blush today, and it is fantastic. I want to order her powder foundation because I'm a powder foundation kind of girl. I do try some liquid foundations, but I really love the powders. But I did not know that I was going to enjoy baked makeup products as much as I do. And look at this palette. It is just gorgeous. And I have just got this thing for palettes. Look at those colors. I'm going to swatch a few of them. It also came with this lipstick. This is the Italian Marble multi-dimensional lipstick, and it is in the shade Berry Banana. How cute of a name is that? It also came with this Longwear eyeliner. This is Kajal, I think is how you pronounce it. My phone is talking to y'all. I'll swatch that as well. And then we have a lip pencil. This is Pout Perfect Waterproof Lip Liner, and it is in the shade Nude. And it came with a brush. I'm not normally crazy about these double-ended brushes because they're hard to stand up, but this one, as you can see, has the little plastic cover to go over the end of this, and I know that it's hard to see, but it has a very interesting shape. That would be great for under your eye or smudging your eyeliner. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. And then when I stand it up, I can stand it up on that. And then it has this other end, which is completely round, as you can see. It's not like a packing brush. This is just going to be a quick video showing you what I got. I am going to do a video doing some looks with this palette, and once I get the foundation, then I'll do a full face. For mature skin, Laura Geller is fantastic. And she's a cruelty-free brand, and I love that. I'm really trying to stick with the cruelty-free products. So let's do some swatches. Gosh, look how pretty that is. I'm just going to randomly pick some. Scholar, Maestro, Madame. Look at that. That is so pretty. Those are so pretty. Look at how that shifts this middle one. and it transferred really nice from my finger to. I do not have any primer or anything on my arm. That's really pretty. Let me pick 3 more. These are very hard in the pan, and it's interesting the way they're in there. They're like, this is flat, but they're rounded. I don't know if you can tell that. So let's try Stunner. Oh, look at that one. We'll try Guru and Mogul. I can't wait to put these on my eyes, y'all. I didn't have time to do that today because I couldn't wait to dig into it. Oh, look at that color. Look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. I'm telling you, if you have not tried any of Laura Geller's products, you really, really need to look into that. So there's the palette. This is the Ultimate palette, and it has 31 baked eyeshadows. It says to apply dry for a subtle smolder, apply wet for even richer vibrancy. That's cool. And this has a 12-month shelf life. So pretty. I am so, so happy. Mary Catherine, I am so happy that I got this palette. So here's the lipstick, the Italian Marble lipstick. And it is marbled. Marbled. You see how it's marbled? It's very, very creamy. It's like almost like a balm. That's interesting. That's a pretty color. Multi-dimensional lipstick. Soft ribbons of light and dark pigment swirl together to create a multi-dimensional look. Unique formula infused with vitamin E and castor seed oil hydrates lips just like your favorite lip balm, but with rich, radiant color. That is pretty. And then I'm not sure, I don't think I got the same eyeliner in the other box, but this is a very pretty, very, very creamy and soft. It has a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can tell that. It's got just a little bit of a shimmer to it. Almost like a bronzy type color. And then here's the Nude lip liner that is waterproof. That's a very pretty color. That's very creamy too. And then, like I said, the brush that has a very unique, it's very stiff on the tips though. That's very interesting. So there you go, quick little video to show you what I got in my little Laura Geller mystery box. I am super excited. I cannot wait to try out these shadows. I may put them on in the morning when I get ready to go to work, but I will definitely do a video so that you know how these shadows perform. And like I said, I'm going to order the foundation so that I can do a full face of Laura Geller makeup. And just in case you missed the end of summer giveaway collab video that was posted on Wednesday, make sure you go check that video out. It is a 15 channel collab, and that offers you the opportunity to win 15 different giveaways. I will have that video linked up in the iCard. Make sure that you go check that out and find out what you need to do to enter all of those giveaways. Real quick before I go, I did wipe off all of that. And as you can see, the lip liner and the eyeliner, waterproof, did not come off, did not smudge. It is on there until I use the makeup remover to take it off. So thank you for spending some of your time with me to watch me talk about my Laura Geller box. I'd like to welcome all of my new subscribers and let all of my old subscribers know how much I appreciate all of you. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel, and it sure would make my day. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, I don't know what I'm going to tell you. Your mama is running out of tips. I'm going to have to come up with some new tips. New tips. I got new tips right here. Here's a tip for you, Christopher. You can get you some marble lipstick balm. Let's see. And then when you use it, you can do duck lips, because you'll be fishing anyway. Duck lips. Mama loves you, boo. That was dumb. That was dumb. Dumb.